The best old-fashioned pancakes. Prep time 15 minutes. Cook time 4 minutes. Yield 10 pancakes. Description: no brunch spread is complete without a batch of the best and fluffiest old-fashioned pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1 1/2 tablespoon granulated sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 1/4 cup milk, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, melted, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, 1 large egg, vegetable oil, butter and maple syrup for topping. Instructions: in a large bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a medium bowl, whisk together the milk, butter, vanilla, and egg. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk until just combined will be lumpy. Do not overmix. Let the mixture sit for about 10 minutes. Dampen a paper towel with vegetable oil and rub on a large frying pan or griddle. Heat pan over medium heat and add pancake batter using a 1/4 measuring cup. Pour as many as fit in your pan or griddle. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until small bubbles have begun to form on the surface and edges and the pancake is golden brown. Flip the pancake over and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the other side is also golden brown. Repeat until batter is used up. Notes: tip: for a thick pancake, add a little less milk. For a thinner pancake, add more milk until you reach your desired consistency.